This is MOTOROLA Razr 40 Ultra, and today I would like to show how you can set up parental controls on this device. So to start, you will need to launch settings, onwards enter the passwords and accounts, and see if you have any Google accounts over here. If you have any, just get rid of them by removing. Then get back to the main settings page, enter Google category, tap at the parental controls, get started, child or teen, next. Then sign into your child's Google account. Then select it from the list over here and log into your parental Google account next. After you will log into your parental account, you will be forwarded to the About Supervision page, so scroll it all the way down and input the child's Google account password once again. Then hit the agree button. Then at the pop-up window that follows, go for the allow option and wait for the parent and child accounts to get linked. Once this successfully happens, you will need to hit the next button. Then over here you can turn off some of the apps that are already installed on the child's device, but you will also be able to manage your child's app exposure later on as well. So I do not think that there is any reason to hold off on this step just yet. Anyway, the same can be said about the manage filters and settings step. So I'll just simply skip those. And over here, you can just tap at the skip option. At the child's end, everything was successfully set up. Now you gotta take your parental device, download the Family Link app from Google Play Store. Then launch it. In here, make sure to sign in to the app with the parental Google account. And here is the full list of control that you have an access to. Then you can also monitor your child's location or see the child's device usage highlights. So that'll be it, at least as far as setting up parental controls on this smartphone goes. We highly appreciate your attention. Thanks for watching and bye-bye.